Did you know? Cell membranes serve as the barriers and gatekeepers of the cell, which is why they are known to be semi-permeable, in which certain materials can only cross inside the cells.
Which of the following do you think is passive transport? Yes, you're right. This is the passive transport. As you can see from the graphics, the movement of the substances are across the cell membrane, in which it requires no energy from the cell. The passive transport includes diffusion and osmosis, while the second graphic shows the active transport.
Active transport can be done through pumps or vesicle and may also require transport proteins, namely carrier proteins, which can facilitate diffusion but also use ATP to move substances from an area of lower concentration to an area of higher concentration. An example would be sodium-potassium pump. Pumps move substances against up their concentration gradient and use the hydrolysis of ATP as the source of energy needed to drive the movement.
Click on the particles and move them from high to low concentration.
This is known as diffusion, which is defined as the net movement of particles from areas of greater concentration to lesser concentration. Diffusion will continue until both areas have equal concentration.
Water usually moves in and out of the cell by the process called osmosis. This is the diffusion for water molecules, wherein water molecules move from areas with low solute concentration to high solute concentration. Comparing solutions can be easy if you keep in mind these terms.
Now in this challenge, you must label each solution and identify which category they are in. You're right! Congratulations for finishing this level. Click here to know more about the other transport mechanisms.
Endocytosis is known as the process of ingesting macromolecules and nutrients that are too large to pass through the membrane. It has two types, which are the pinocytosis that transports other fluids and the phagocytosis that transports large particles or whole cells.
One of the other transport mechanisms is the exocytosis, which is known as the process in which materials are released from the inside of the cell. It also releases toxins as well as waste products. And that's all for this game. I hope you enjoyed and learned a lot from this.